Last but not least, I want us to go through solving a problem that involves cases. How many different five-card hands that contain at most one black card can be dealt to one person from a standard deck of playing cards? So at most one black card. So that means we can have 0 black cards, and we can say 1 black card. But as soon as we say 2 black cards, that does not count. So, since there are only 2 things that we need to add together, what I would do is I would use the building cases. Otherwise, if we were using the other method that we learned in the previous lesson, we would have to find out the total number and subtract the total number of playing cards without any restrictions. And then we would subtract 2 hands with 2 black cards, 3 black cards, and 4 black cards. So that's actually more work. So the building cases method is going to be our best bet. Now, when we think about whether it's a permutation or a combination question, a 5-card hand with 5 of hearts and a 2 of diamonds and the spades queen and the heart of aces and the king of hearts, that is going to be the same hand if I would say the king of hearts, the heart of the ace of hearts, the 2 of diamonds, the queen of spades, and the 5 of hearts. So that means order does not matter. So therefore we know it's going to be a combinations question. So let's build some cases, shall we? So we need to look at 0 black cards in a hand. And we need to find out how many with 1 black card. So we're going to say this is for black cards, and this one is for red cards. So just for the record, there are 13 in each suit. That means there are 26 black and 26 red. So if I were to be having a hand with 0 black cards, I would say 26 out of 26 black cards, I choose 0 times 26 red cards, and I choose 5 because they are 5-card hands. The next setup I'm going to say is okay, 1 black card. So I have 26, choose 1. That means that there are 4 cards left. So I'm for the red, so this is for black and this is for red. Then for the red, I'm going to say 26, choose 4. I'm going to use my calculator here to do these calculations, these fancy figurines. So 26, choose 0 times 26, choose 5. And I get 65,780. When I do this next one, so I'm going to go 26, choose 1 times 26, choose 4. I get 388,700. So whenever we're dealing with cases, we know that maybe in the individual cases we need to multiply, but at the end of the day, we need to add the total. So add the number for each case. So when I do that, I'm just going to say plus 65,780 equals, and I get 454,480. And I am done.